Nagtrabaho din ako doon para sa magkapera, no? So,
Galing.
nagtrabaho ako as a kitchen hand sa isang Mexican restaurant. Actually, kitchen hand, di ka nagluluto, taga-chop ka lang ng mga ano, no? At taga-hugas ka ng plato, taga-linis ka ng refrigerator.
Wala rin takot.
Nagbarista ako for a while. Ang dami kong ginawang trabaho. Nag-busk ako para lang...
Talaga?
Oh, para lang, busking is, di ba? Kakanta ka sa, sa bars, sa ganyan,
Kaya
sa
po pala
labas.
napaka-humble nyo.
No, it's not. But natuto talaga ako sa Australia maging independent at na-appreciate mo yung trabaho ng bawat tao.
That's good, ano? You know, that's one part of you that I'm sure the public is hearing for the first time.
Oo nga, no? For
Hindi
sure.
naman yan yung bagay na kinukwento mo eh. But minsan, alam mo, ang dami nagbabash sa akin sa social media, di ba? So I try to switch it off. I try to not read as much, although we still have to read kasi trabaho natin yan eh. Di ba? Kahit na ayaw mong basahin, kahit gusto mo na lang ayaw manood ng mga vlogs or anything, kailangan eh, trabaho mo yan. So I try to switch it off. But I have to admit, it affects me. Diba? It really affects me.
Yes,
pa rin.
totoo naman.
We're all human. So,
Tama.
ang nakakatulong yung tao, yung
support ako.
kunyari, I was just in Davao. I just came back from Davao yesterday. And pag yung kinakausap ka ng mga ordinaryong tao sa streets, bibigay ng suporta nila. Dito, minsan, yung mga Grab riders, yung mga, you know, all these people, minsan sa labas ng mall or sa restaurant, kakausapin ka lang. Yung kahit papano, kahit ang dami nagbabash sa'yo, nakikita mo pa rin na may mga tao pa rin sumusuporta at naniniwala sa pinaglalaban.
Yes.
Oo naman, marami.
So,
marami.
that really helps and keeps you grounded.
Kilalang kilala ka na, Panyero. Everyone knows your name, how you look like, your advocacy. Is there a future in an elective position for Michael Poa?
Bago tayo dumiretso sa kwentuhan, kilalanin muna natin ng mabuting ating special guest for today. Sinasabi nga nila, he is the calm in the middle of any political storm. Isa siyang top-notch lawyer at public servant na kilalang-kilala sa pagiging composed at professional, kahit gaano kainit ang sitwasyon. Para sa kanyang buong kwento, panoorin muna natin to.
Sa mundo ng batas at serbisyo publiko, may mga pangalang tumatayo dahil sa kanilang husay at integridad. Proud Batch 2000 ng Xavier School. Nag-aral sa Australia para sa kanyang Creative Arts at Italian Studies degree bago kumuha ng abogasya sa University of the Philippines. At hindi lang basta nagtapos, top 9 siya sa kanyang class sa UP Law. Dito nagsimula yung career ng isang abogado na bago sumalang sa harap ng mga kamera ay tahimik munang nagsilbi na mahigit isang dekada bilang Chief of Staff sa GSIS. Noong 2022, naging spokesperson at Chief of Staff siya ng DepEd. At pagkatapos nun, naging boses din siya ng Office of the Vice President. Pero pagdating sa personal na buhay, private person lang siya. Kaya naman kahit busy siya ngayon bilang managing partner ng sarili niyang law firm at bahagi ng defense team ng pangalawang pangulo, he still handles everything with the same identity we know him for. Calm, collected, composed, and professional. Hindi natitinag kahit gaano kainit ang sitwasyon. Let's welcome Attorney Michael Wesley Poa.
Yes, welcome, Panyero.
Good afternoon, Attorney Ferdy at good afternoon, Ma'am Ina. Congratulations for your new show.
Thank you. At
Thank you
salamat
so
sa
much
iyong
po.
pagpapaunlak sa aming payak na
Siyempre.
paanyaya.
Paano ba naman ako hindi sa inyo?
Salamat. Anyway, as is our protocol, ladies first. So, après vous, madame.
Yes, good afternoon ulit, Attorney
afternoon,
Poe. Isa
Ma'am
pong
Ina.
karangalan ang mapanayam ka ngayong
Nako,
hapon.
you're too kind.
So, yeah. So, you started your career with the GSIS and then eventually you segued to DepEd under VP Sara Duterte. How are these two jobs different for you po?
Totoo lang, ibang-iba. Kasi as you know, GSIS is a GOCC, no? So, para na nga siyang private corporation, so to speak. At least the way it's run.
Yeah.
So, I was there from 2010.
Wow.
So, panahon pa ni PGMA,
Ang tagal
former
na po.
President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. And then, nung panahon din ni Pinoy, I was also there. And then, yung
So
panahon
career
ni
pala
PRRD.
ito, career, ano? Hindi siya
po,
political
co-term siya.
appointment.
Actually, co-term siya.
Pero you were retained, ha? So
Yeah,
you must have been doing a good job.
Chief of staff of different board members. So, yung mga trustees po kasi ang tawag sa kanila sa GSIS. So, I was chief of staff of one of the trustees during each term. Kaya, nung nag-transition ako into DepEd, I honestly didn't know what I was getting in myself into. No? Kasi akala ko, pareho namang gobyerno yan. So, malamang pareho lang. Pero ibang-iba. Ibang-iba when you join a national agency, no? Such as DepEd. At talagang, kahit sa trabaho, ibang-iba po siya. It was really shocking to me. No? But well, I always believe that that we are where we're supposed to be, where we're meant to be. So I think doon lang talaga tayo dinala ng Panginoon.
Alam mo, Panyero, nakita kong kumikinang-kinang yung mata ni Ina sa'yo. So I'll let her ask the second question ulit.
Grabe
Oo.
naman.
I-break
Grabe
natin ang
naman yun.
protocol.
Kasi
Lalo nang nalaman niyang single ka.
Uy, grabe naman.
No, pero may loved one naman. May
May
loved
loved one siya,
okay.
Tony. Grabe ka naman. Sinabi ko lang po talaga kanina na ibang-iba po kayo sa personal. Iba po yung karisma nyo.
Parang,
Compare sa TV, talagang ibang-iba.
Hindi
So,
ko-
ang
hindi
second
ko po
question
iniisip
ko po,
yan, no?
naniniwala po ba kayo na kapag ang isang abogado po, dapat may sex appeal?
Nakita mo lang na kinamayan siya ni Laila de Lima at kinilig yung
Oo
ali.
nga, kinilig,
Tinanong mo
ano?
na.
Hindi naman po, hindi naman
Iba,
po.
iba talaga yung appeal ni
Nires-
Attorney Poe.
Hindi naman po, nirerespeto po natin, of course, no, si Representative De Lima.
Yes.
Sex appeal, hindi naman po. I think what you need talaga sa korte is someone who will really advocate, no,
Tama,
for you.
tama naman.
So, yung itsura, I don't know if we can even say secondary yan.
Plus
Baka
points
wala
na
na yan.
Hindi kasi si Attorney Topacio po is known as Mr. Sex Appeal.
Ayun
Ano
naman,
lang yun eh.
yun naman
Ganun
hindi natin
ba?
may tatanggi talaga.
Oo,
it's,
diba?
more, it's more ironic than anything else. Anyway, which leads me to this question.
Okay.
Ano? You are now the spokesperson. Una nung DepEd, ano?
Opo,
And
DepEd.
then ngayon noong impeachment team.
Opo.
Defense team ni VP Sara. How did this come about? Yun ba dinesignate ka ni VP, pinili ka, magandahang lalaki ba yan? Ano bang labanan dyan sa
Hindi.
pagiging
Well,
spokesman?
definitely hindi pagandang lalaki dahil if you look at the defense team, mas marami namang mas magandang lalaki sa akin doon, no?
Opo.
So, well, I think it's experience. Kasi
Although I
nga-
beg to disagree, pero go ahead.
No, I think it's experience since I've also been working with the principal for quite some time. So I think I was the natural choice. Pero hindi naman po magiging permanently na ako lang, lalong-lalo na when we go into the trial proper. Siyempre hindi natin kakayanin because aside from media, I have to also do the legal work, no, with the team. So I'm planning, well, the team is planning to at least have siguro mga 2 or 3 more that will help me out with media engagements. I think we've seen in the past impeachment proceedings na nagkakaroon naman talaga ng mga 2 or 3 spokespersons talaga para sa defense team. Importante kasi no, na maintindihan ng taong bayan yung proseso. Kasi tayong mga abogado, nagkakaintindihan tayo dyan eh. Pero sa taong bayan, kailangan natin maipaliwanag talaga kung ano yung naganap. So I think communication is very important. Kaya we will be having 2 or 3.
Oh, lalo-lalo na ngayon, full blast yung
Oo.
prosecution. They're everywhere sa media.
Yes,
Trying to explain na hindi pa bawal sa House rules yun. O sa rules ng Senate.
Well,
o
sa
court.
Senate, of course, I don't want to comment dun sa ginagawa ng prosecution. I'm sure, napag-isipan nila, they have their own strategy. We'll respect that. Ako, pinalaki ako attorney sa law school na hindi naman tayo nakipagbangayan sa kapwa abogado unless it's within, the court. Diba? The court proceedings. So, hayaan na lang natin. But sa akin, it's more of, it's more of, kami, we're just quiet now kasi unang-una, tayong defense diba? So, intayin muna natin kung ano mga ilalabas
yes.
talaga nila
Oo.
na depensa.
I wanted
bago
to say
tayo
na
sumagot.
iba yung pagpapalaki sa akin kaso hindi na ako lumaki eh.
Yun nga,
Pero
sasabihin
naman,
ko din
eh,
sana yun eh.
In the sense na ako alam mo naman, war freak ako eh. We're completely opposite eh. Kaya ginagalang ko to eh. It takes more effort to
Tama.
exercise restraint than
Kaya
to
nga eh.
go all out actually.
But I also admire din your style, Attorney Ferdy, no? Kasi yan yung, nakikita ko talaga how passionate you are when you fight for your client. So, definitely, lawyers are built differently kasi.
Yes, yes.
So, but
Tama
you see
naman.
the the good in all the different styles.
Yun din naman po ang hinahangaan ko sa inyong dalawa. Ikaw naman po, attorney, kasi parang kahit binabatikos ka na ng media, talagang you're very composed and very professional the way you respond to media.
Kasi Ma'am Ina, gusto ko sana, well, at least yung approach ko, factual lang tayo. Let's
Yes.
be as objective as possible. Unang-una,
Ang galing.
siguro kwento ko muna, hindi naman ako nag-apply as spokesperson sa DepEd eh. So, at that time, the Vice President was looking for someone with experience
Yes.
sa GSIS. Kasi gusto niyang tulungan yung mga problema ng mga teachers sa mga GSIS loans, etc. No? So,
Kaya-
merong nagrekomenda sa akin, nakakilala niya. So when I applied, I actually didn't apply for any position. Nagkataon lang after the panel interviews, no, the Vice President probably, I don't know what she saw, but she spoke to me and asked if I wanted to be, if I could
Wow.
accept being a spokesperson. I was very hesitant at first kasi hindi ko talaga, wala akong experience, hindi ko to trabaho.
Pero talagang he is very composed. May kasabihan nga, di ba? It is better to be composed than to decompose.
Oh my
mahirap naman yun.
Ito talaga si attorney. Talagang naisingit pa niya.
Anyway, sabi mo kanina sa akin, nung minimake upan tayo, ang dami mong questions. So, shoot.
Kaya nga. Attorney
questions,
Powa, curious lang ako kasi Powa is a Chinese surname, right?
Apo, yes.
Are you a Chinese?
Yes, my family is Chinese. But obviously, yung lolo ko pa lang, nandito na siya sa Pilipinas. No? So,
Talaga po.
we're more Filipino than Chinese.
Born and raised po kayo dito sa
Oo,
Philippines.
oo. My parents and my dad was born and raised na rin here in the Philippines. No? So is my mom. And then yung lolo ko, dito na rin talaga siya nagnegosyo and all that.
Wow.
So yes, Chinese, but really, I identify myself as a,
As a
Filipino na
Filipino.
talaga.
Ano bang preferred ng if you don't mind, anong preferred na term ng mga Chinese for themselves? Chinoy ba? Di ba? Kasi Chinese-Filipino.
Kasi may ganun, may Chinoy, may
Chinoy.
Filchay, di ba? Ganon. So,
Kung Filipino-Chinese, hindi naman penis. Wala naman ganun, ano? Oo.
wag naman siguro sana.
Wag naman, oo. Oo.
Wag naman siguro sana.
Anyway, alam mo, sanay naman siguro si Attorney Michael sa Limelight. Kasi di ba, may branch of the family niya na sa showbiz. Si Fernando Powa Jr. hindi ba
Hindi
kamag-anak?
totoo. Baka po magalit sa akin si Senadora, no?
Palagay ko mas bagay sa kanya na maging kamag-anak
Although-
si Piolo Powasqual.
Wow.
Ang layo naman, pilit na pilit naman.
Grabe ka naman, attorney. Hindi kita binabara.
No, but pinapanood ko po si Fernando po nung bata ako, no? Yung
Talaga?
Panday, ganyan, pinapanood ko yan. Paghapon yan sa TV, diba? So,
Speaking of TV, itong impeachment, without going into the merits,
Of course.
alam naman natin, of course, it's a matter of great public interest.
Opo.
So, lahat ng facets niyan is covered by media. As sa iyong opinion, as a lawyer, yun bang televised o publicized ang trial? Does it help the defense? Does it harm the defense? Or
I think-
does it help the prosecution or harm the prosecution?
you know, I hope you don't think this is a safe answer, no? But kasi ito yung totoong nasa isip ko. Double-edged kasi
Okay.
na highly publicized ang isang trial. Why does it help? Kasi gusto nating maipakita sa taong bayan, sa mga Pilipino, na walang basehan yung naging mga paratang, aligasyon laban sa Vice Presidente for the past, I don't know, 2-3 years. No?
Yes.
But bakit double-edged? Kasi, syempre, nandun talaga yung tendency na trial by publicity talaga yung nangyayari. At as you know now, we have social media. Hindi katulad ng mga previous impeachments. Now, we have social media. So, ibang opinion ang marinig mo. There are more legal experts than lawyers in the country right now. Diba? So,
Oo nga eh.
ang daming iba-ibang opinion na marinig
Marami
mo.
mga attorney Google ngayon
Siyempre, we're also very cautious and conscious of
Tama.
that. That's why I think it's very important na aside from the social media, tayo, bilang mga abogado, we don't blur the lines. Whether ano ang kulay mo sa politika, let's be objective when we talk about the law sa taong
Yes.
bayan para ma-explain natin na mabuti. That's why I'm saying it's double-edged. Kasi una, mapapaliwanag mo sa tao, yes, pero kailangan naman talaga ng transparency. Pero pangalawa, medyo masasubject talaga ang isang respondent, katulad ng isang akusado, sa trial by publicity. So we're very conscious of that.
Talaga importante yung transparency. Kaso may isang kaibigan ko, advocate siya ng transparency, but for women's clothing daw. Anyway,
Nako, attorney.
Sino kaya itong kaibigan niyo na to?
Hindi ko nababanggitin. Baka mabash eh. Anyway, Ina, may tinatanong ko sa akin
Oo,
kanina.
marami akong tanong, attorney. Huwag kang
Oo,
mag-alala.
Hindi, may gusto akong lumabas na ngayon na tanong.
Ano
Kasi
ba?
tinatanong mo sa akin.
Oh, sige.
Para sa akin, kung ano mas mahirap. Sabi ko, itanong mo kay...
okay.
Itanong mo sa guest natin, wag sa akin.
Ano pong mas mahirap? Sumagot sa media or sumagot sa nanay mo?
Definitely sumagot sa nanay ko.
Talaga?
Kasi bago pa ako sumagot, alam na ng nanay ko yung sasagutin ko. Sasagot
yun
ko,
naman
diba?
pala.
So definitely sa nanay ko.
Sa nanay niyo po. Oh, attorney.
Oo, hindi.
Baka marami ka rin.
Yung nabanggit kanina ni Michael. I'll just call you Michael.
Opo, opo.
Oo. Na yung defense team, na pag-usapan natin. So there are 19 ba na defense lawyers?
16.
16, oo.
Yan, sige.
Plus ikaw, kasama ka naman doon sa 16.
Opo, kasama na po.
Oo. Alam naman natin na, well, I speak only for myself. May mga mababait na mga abogado. That lawyers have some of the biggest egos in the country.
It's true.
So, how are the dynamics, if you don't mind, in general terms? Paano kung may disagreement with respect to strategy, legal interpretation, etc.? Paano nyo nare-resolve? 16 lawyers kayo.
Natural naman po yan. As you say, diba, you have 10 lawyers in the room, you have 12, 15 opinions. Diba? But
Sinabi
I
mo.
think what works is we're working with a law firm. No? Well, may sarili akong firm, but ako lang naman talaga yung main na nasa impeachment. And then, we're working with Fortuna, Narvaez, and Salazar. No?
Yes, oo.
So, since may law firm ka, medyo it's different from putting 16 individuals together eh. Sa isang law firm, meron ng reporting lines dyan, may hierarchy na, kumbaga. So, we just work within the Fortuna Narvaez system. Siyempre, si Sheila Season, who will be our lead counsel, really, is a partner in FNS. So, siya talaga yung, kumbaga, lahat kami may opinion, but at the end of the day, lahat din kami, kung anong sabihin ng lead firm, no? Talagang we will just have to set aside the ego and just abide by kung anong direction ng team. But more importantly, I think everyone is passionate naman sa team to really just parang itabi muna natin yung mga ego natin. Ang
Yes.
kailangan natin dito is madepensahan ng vice-presidente. So, it's easier said than done, but it's easier in our case. Kasi nga, we're working with a law firm na meron ng, kumbaga hindi ka na maghahanap sino magsusulat nito, sino magre-research nito. Meron na. And then it just comes up to us for
May
review.
follow-up lang ako before we go to Ina's question. Nabanggit mo na yung Fortune Narvasa. I hope you don't mind this question. Wala bang awkwardness considering that Sig Fortune is the brother-in-law of the Remulias?
To be honest, wala. Because si Attorney Sig, before the defense team was formed, alam naman natin na yung background niya. And I believe in Attorney Sig. I sat down with Attorney Sig early on, and very professional yung tao. No? So siya naman talaga, alam naman natin mga abogado, hindi naman maiwasan yung conflict. Minsan may kamag-anak ka na ganito.
Yes.
No? But very professional naman siya. And I've seen how he's fought for his clients. And I'm confident that, and I've seen it actually, that he's doing the same for the Vice President.
Okay. Ina,
Yes po. Ito po, attorney, curious lang po kami. Bilang legal counsel po ni VP Sara Duterte, ano pong isang bagay na gusto po ninyong malaman ng publiko tungkol sa kanya?
She's very different doon
Talaga?
sa, I guess, pinoproject sa kanya sa social media.
Diba? Yeah.
Siguro dalawang bagay on the professional aspect. Very decisive yung
Yes.
ating Vice Presidente. No? Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang gawin para sa bansa. Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang
Chief
gawin
of
sa
the old
trabaho
block
niya.
talaga.
Oo.
Visionary.
And when she decides, yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Very decisive. And you need that in a leader.
Yes.
Yeah, oo.
On the personal level, ano siya, very simple person.
And makulit din po. May mga ganun siyang
Makulit.
side.
Makulit. Very
you would
simple
know, you would know,
person.
Ina.
And I think it's really more of makikita mo siya bilang kung gaano siya kabuting tao, bilang
Sobra.
kaibigan at bilang isang ina. Yun talaga.
Tulad nung ginawa po niya kay Attorney Zulaika Lopez, talagang hindi niya iniwanan.
Ay,
Ah, ganun
grabe
talaga.
yun.
Grabe
Bilib ako
yun.
ron.
Doon ako
Nakipag-away pa siya.
namangha
Oo.
talaga sa
She
kanya.
really values the people who work with her.
Yes, tama.
And kaya kumbaga hindi ka magdadalawang isip na to stick with her all throughout dahil nakita mo talaga yung sincerity niya sa tao.
Speaking of VP Sara, nandiyan na rin tayo sa topic na yan. without going to any privileged information,
Oo.
is there any particular conversation na pwede mo i-share sa amin na that has stuck to your mind na tumatak sa iyong isipan with respect to VP Sara?
It's more of the private conversations that we have. Yung
Without revealing anything to you.
more on the
Yeah.
personal level siguro. Yun yung masasabi ko. Kasi nga, ang parat kong sinasabi is, iba siya eh. Doon sa mga pinoportray sa kanya sa SOCMED or sa TV, yung pag may problema ka, she will really listen. So, pag nagsasabi ako ng problema kong personal, she will really listen, give me advice, and help me accept things the way they are now.
Pati ba love life?
Sinishare niyo po ba ang
Nasishare
love
na ba?
life?
Pati love life, actually.
So pwede din pala siyang
Tama.
love guru din pala.
Love guru.
Love life.
I agree sa sinabi po ni Attorney Powa. She's really a good listener. Naalala ko nung nag-lunch po tayo, Attorney. Talagang nakikinig siya sa'yo.
Yes,
Yung
oo.
Salmo 109. Talagang nakatingin si VP Sara sa kanya. Nakikinig po talaga
She's
siya.
talking about yung lunch nung after
Nung
araw ng
araw
Davao.
ng Davao.
Yes.
Yes.
No, but she is. Singit ko lang siguro to. She is.
Opo.
And nung nasa DepEd nga kami, ang gusto niyang gawin is really to go down to the school level para kausapin yung mga teachers kung ano talaga yung problema nila. Kasi nga, may ang laki ng DepEd na sometimes yung genuine concerns hindi na umaabot sa central office.
Yeah.
So, yun yung talagang ginagawa niya nung nasa DepEd kami.
Yes.
Well, anyway, may question kami, medyo personal.
Okay lang.
Sabi mo naman may loved one ka, no?
Oo.
Anong mas masakit para sa'yo? Matalo sa korte o matalo sa argumento with your loved one?
Attorney Ferdy, I think we'll both agree. Siyempre, matalo sa argumento with your loved one. Bakit? Kasi sa loved one, wala ka ng motion for reconsideration, final and executory
Wala
ka
pa.
agad.
Ayun. Tama naman. Tama naman.
Do you agree, Ina?
Hindi ako makarelate, Attorney. Wala kasi akong boyfriend.
Ganun ba? Ayan na. In-announce mo pa talaga, no? Ayan. Naku, lagot ka.
News of global significance.
Naku, in-announce mo. Maraming magme-message sa'yo.
Naku.
Lagot ka ngayon. Naku ka.
Sorry na.
Anyway, go ahead. Ang daming mong
Oo
list ng
nga,
questions eh.
I also heard, Attorney, that you, nag-aral ka po sa Australia.
Opo,
Ay, nga
for-
pala, no?
Oo, diba?
What's
For
up
my
with that?
undergrad.
Oo.
For my undergrad.
And then
Opo.
you both majored in creative arts and Italian
Yes,
studies. Does
yes.
that also mean you speak Italian?
Yes.
Really?
I
Saan ka
speak
naman
Italian.
dyan, attorney?
Anong gusto mo sabihin?
Halimbawa, nililigawan mo si Ina.
Uy, grabe
Kunyari
naman. Kamusta lang? Kamustahan
Oo,
lang.
oo,
Attorney naman. Kamustahan lang. Kamustahan lang.
Mamma mia, sei molto bella.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Ano ibig sabihin ko?
My God, you're so beautiful.
Wow!
Uy.
No, but yeah, I dito, Xavier ako, and then nung college, undergrad, sa Australia, ako sa Adelaide.
Oh, but why? What drove you? Was that a deliberate choice? Was it
alam
required
mo,
of your by your family?
Sa totoo lang, Attorney Ferdy, I wasn't the best child growing up, no? Meaning, problema din, naging sakit ng ulo din ako ng parents ko.
Parang
Talaga?
pamilyar yata sa akin yung story na yan.
Sa Xavier,
Relate ka ba?
although I was doing
Relate ako.
well academically, disciplinary-wise, medyo makulit ako na bata, no? So, nag-continue on yon kahit nung high school. I had a fun high school. I guess that's how you put it nicely. And then, so naisip nila, baka magandang ipadala ko sa Australia. Nila, meaning family ko. Kasi yung tita ko and yung tito ko were professors sa isang university there.
I
So,
see,
pinadala ako
okay.
sa Australia and I wanted to take up law.
Okay.
But ang sabi sa akin sa Australia, ng university, if you want to take up law, you'll have to apply for permanent residence. Because why else would you want a law degree here? Kasi ibang-iba yung batas nila sa atin.
Hindi naman magagamit dito,
May
di ba?
sistema. So, ako talaga, bala ko talaga umuwi ng Pilipinas. So, I did the next best thing. Hindi kasi ako pinapayagan ng parents ko na mag-theater dito. So, I took up creative arts in Australia. I took up theater, actually.
Wow, yung pala yung reason.
Yun,
ano?
ang creative arts majoring in theater, performing arts.
Wow.
So how is education in a Western country different from sa Pilipinas?
Sa Australia, I can only speak of Australia.
Of course.
Ibang-iba siya kasi focused siya. So yung course mo, kunyari dito sa Pilipinas, di ba, mag-accounting ka or something, marami ka pang general subjects first year, second year sa college, di ba? Sa Australia, very focused siya. Wala kang general subjects. So kung theater ka, meron kang
Puro
voice, meron kang acting, meron kang theories of theater, puro theater talaga. So it's focused. So after that, kumbaga, nag-specialize ka talaga sa theater.
Kaya pala
kang
natuto ka
general
ng
subjects.
Italian, ha?
Galing, ano?
Italian, I did that as my second major lang. Opo.
So double major?
Actually. Minor actually.
Minor. Oh, pero
Minor in
natuto rin siya.
Natuto.
No?
Parang
Very-
pareho po kayo ni attorney. He's also multilingual.
Talaga po?
Hindi, Spanish lang ang...
Spanish.
Oo, ganun din
Pero
yun.
ganun din yun, attorney.
Actually, they're very similar.
Diba?
Yan yung mga romance languages eh. French, Italian, Spanish, and
Spanish.
Portuguese.
Oh, sample
Yan.
naman din dyan, attorney.
Ano naman
Spanish.
sasabihin ko, ha?
Spanish. Ito talaga, oh.
Sige, ano naman, tus ojos pardos me encantan.
Ano ibig sabihin nun, attorney?
Your brown eyes enchant me.
Naks. Thank you po.
Pero brown ba yan talaga o contact lens?
Natural. Born this way.
Questions.
Okay, so, attorney po, we know so little about your personal life. Would you care to share or to keep things in private lang?
Siyempre tayo, we prefer that we separate the public to the private. But I'm an open book actually. I'm a simple person lang naman sa
Sobra nga.
homebody. Mas
Talaga?
gusto ko na sa bahay lang ako pag walang engagements, gano'n. So Netflix, ganyan.
Ay, ito
Just
yung mga
simple,
hobbies nyo.
Oo. Well, dati...
Panoorin mo yung moving Pinoduce ko, yung Mama sa Pano.
Oo nga.
Sige.
Nasa
Oo, nasa
Netflix po
pa.
yan, guys.
Hanggang December na lang yun.
Oo.
Parang napanood ko na yata.
Ang
Parang
ganun, total
napanood ko na
tungkol
yata.
sa SAP 44.
Oh, yeah. Parang
Ah,
napanood
yes,
ko na.
oo.
Parang napanood ko na.
Oh, I'm proud to say na entry yun sa 2022 MMFF and it has garnered 12 trophies so far.
Wow.
Medyo
Congratulations.
medyo shameless
Congratulations.
self-promotion lang ng konti.
No, but ganun lang
naman.
ako. I spend time na lang with family, with loved ones, of course, with friends.
friends.
Ganun lang, simple lang.
Simple
Wala
lang
namang
din po
masyadong,
kayo,
nothing special.
Well, speaking of special, Panyero, how do you define success for you as a lawyer?
As a lawyer.
And do you consider yourself successful right now? Or do you still
No.
have other things that you want to achieve?
No, definitely a long way to go from success. Yung success sa akin, syempre, no matter how big or small your case is, it's really how your client feels, di ba?
Wow.
As long as ma-feel ng client na nagawan mo siya ng hustisya or tulungan mo siya sa problema, yun naman tayo eh. Ang trabaho natin is problemahin ang problema ng iba.
Yes.
Yun,
Sinabi
tama
mo.
naman.
But
Tama.
secondly, as an employer, siguro, dahil I have my small law firm, I would define success yung pag makita mo yung mga kasamahan mo sa office that they're able to afford things, treat their family out dahil nabibigyan mo sila ng ganung opportunity. Yun siguro yung masasabi
sweet
kong
naman.
success.
Oh.
But
And-
long way to go.
Curious lang ako kasi pareho tayong small law firm eh. In my case, literally, as well as figuratively. So, syempre, pareho tayo. We have high-profile client.
Yeah.
We have the usual clients na yung collection case, o na-estafa, di ba? So, in your case, how do you divide the time between the so-called, for lack of a better term lang naman,
Oo.
normal cases and the high-profile ones?
Well, unang-una, easier said than done. Pero syempre, ang gusto natin, whether high profile or normal collection case, pantay-pantay tayo sa kliyente natin. Kami, maswerte ako kasi I have two partners with me in the law firm, si Attorney Camille Himala at si Attorney Mark Bertuccio, who helped me, lalo na ngayon with the impeachment, nag-unload talaga ako.
Si Mark
sa kanila.
Bertuccio ba? Partner mo?
Mark Bertuccio.
Oo, hindi ko kilala.
Sabi ko na eh. Hindi niya
Papakilala ko sa'yo
kilala.
minsan. Medyo nagulat ako eh. Medyo nagulat ako.
Running gag na.
And then, I have 4 associates now. Nagulat ako. Talagang maganda yung quality of associates that we have now. No? So, talagang nakakatulong sila. Na-unload ko yung mga kaso. Kasi, syempre, ano naman yung impeachment. maliban sa highly publicized, daily yan eh.
Oo,
Daily yan.
correct. Oh, when it
medyo
really gets
wala ka na
going,
talaga,
ano?
wala ka na talaga sa law firm. So, I'm very fortunate to have partners to really help out.
Magagaling mga bata ngayon. Di ba?
Magaling mga
My
bata
son
ngayon.
is also a lawyer. He just passed the bar.
Oo.
Ang maganda na associate mo yung anak mo, kahit starvation wage, hindi nagre-reklamo. Lagi ko kasi sinasabi, libre kuryente mo, libre pagkain mo, libre shelter mo. Pati yung aso mo, ako pa nagpapagamot. Hindi talaga sweldo mo muna.
Dami ng perks eh. No?
Ito, Attorney Poe, natanong ko din to kay Attorney Trixie last time. Sabi ko, kung hindi po kayo abogado, ano ka? Ano kayang trabaho mo ngayon? Sabi niya, rockstar daw. Eh si Attorney Poe kaya?
Singer din pala si Trixie, by the
Oo
way.
nga eh.
Oo,
Kung
nagulat
hindi
ako.
po,
Ako rin.
kung hindi po
Dalawa.
abogado si Attorney Poe, ano kaya ang trabaho niyo
Actually,
po?
dalawa. Either piloto,
Wow.
kasi matagal ko ng pangarap maging piloto.
Piloto talaga.
Talaga.
Malabo lang yung mata ko eh, naka-contact lens ako. So, nung panahon na yun, di ba? Sabi nila, pag malabo mata mo, hindi ka pwede mag-piloto. But
Gusto yata yung
pangalawa,
makasali sa Mile High Club. Huwag mo lang tanungin kung ano yun.
kung isasama ako ibahin ko na yung topic. Kung isasama ako ni Attorney Ferdy, gusto ko na maging rockstar sana.
Wow,
Kasi
rockstar.
mahilig ako kumanta.
Galing.
Mukhang makakapagtayo tayo ng rock band nung mga guests natin, ha? Yung first 3 guests. Si Jimmy Bondo,
Bondo, Attorney
oo, idol ko yan.
Alex, at si Atty. Michael
Oo,
Poa.
galing.
Talagang, nung college ako, I think pinapakinggan ko si Jimmy Bondo, kasi Attorney Bondo.
Alam ka kay Jimmy. Hindi, ano nung sinabi mo
Bata rin siya
matanda na
nun.
si Jimmy?
Hindi, bata pa rin siya nun. Bago pa lang
Lagot, nanonood si Jimmy ngayon.
Oo nga. Hello po, Attorney Jimmy.
Ay, Atty. Jimmy.
Hello po.
Si Atty. Michael.
Oo.
Hindi,
grabe,
hindi.
oh.
Parang kami bata noon, no?
Ay, naman pala.
Siya lang yung sumikat. Ako, wala.
Ay, well, sikat ka na
Video
ngayon.
okay lang. Video
Sikat ka
okay
na
lang.
ngayon.
Hindi po.
Anyway, going to yung mga, yung mga video okay, etc., rockstar. So, at the end of a long and demanding day,
It's
what
a night.
does Attorney Mike...
Diba?
Nawala tuloy na.
Sorry na.
So, talaga, panay ko lang ko. At the end of...
Oh, chill. Tubig ka muna, Attorney.
Compose. Para Michael Poa.
Michael Poe, compose dapat.
Huwag kang tumawa.
Sorry na. Okay, shut up na ako.
At the end of a long and demanding day, what does Attorney Michael Poa do to unwind?
Oy.
I try to unplug as much as possible.
What does that mean for you?
Meaning, wala munang phones. Either kakain lang ako ng mag-isa. Meron akong kinakainan na paborito kong bacolod inasal
Wow.
somewhere in Makati.
Ganun ba?
So, walang aircon doon.
Favorite
Pero,
ko rin yun eh.
pero ang sarap ng inasal. Ganun, chill lang. Tapos, if I have time to play the guitar and sing, siguro nandun lang ako minsan sa toilet para mas maganda yung acoustics, di ba?
May natural na rin ganun.
Wala naman tayong sarili nating music room, so minsan ganun. Ganun lang. That's what I do to unwind. But, alam mo, that's what I find hard or difficult nowadays. Wala ka ng time to really unwind kasi kahit in the middle of the night,
Tell me
may
about
mga text messages. May mga...
Yun nga eh.
Kaya napapansin mo yung mga notices ko sa'yo about the show eh. Minsan madaling araw, ano?
At sumasagot ako, ha?
Oo, sumasagot ka. Nagugulat ako.
Sumasagot ako.
Madaling
So,
araw.
Ibig sabihin, importante ka kay Attorney Poe.
Bomb ka leg.
Bomb ka leg. Naku ka talaga. So sa lahat po ng titulo nyo, attorney, hindi to lupa ha, titulo nyo bilang abogado, bilang opisyal at tagapagsalita, ano po ang pinakamahalaga sa inyo bilang tao?
Well, if I had to choose between the three, siguro abogado na talaga dahil grabe yung hirap natin, no?
Yun
Para
nga eh.
maging abogado. And also, it's the fulfillment and satisfaction pag nakikita mong may effect, may resulta yung pagtulong mo sa kliyente. But more than that, I think it might sound cliche again, but being Filipino is important. Diba? Yan yung hindi talaga mawawala sa atin eh. That's why kung ano yung magagawa natin, small ways to contribute to our country. Diba? Dapat talaga
That's
yung gawin
good.
natin.
Pero sabi ng isang kaibigan natin dyan na nasa gobyerno, di ba, na secretary, he would rather be secretary than be a lawyer.
Talaga?
Ay, parang
Bakit
kilala
daw?
ko yan, attorney.
Oo, yun.
Tago
Pero
na lang
baka kasi,
natin sa
naman,
pangalan.
baka naman kasi nakakatulong siya bilang secretary.
Hindi, kasi ang nangyari sa kanya, double disbarred eh.
Oh my God. Itago na lang natin sa pangalang...
Ay, wag na.
Wag na.
Wag na. Let's not rub his face in it.
Okay.
Anyway, going to another point.
Oh my God.
Speaking of being a lawyer, the title which you value so much, Kasi di ba sabi nga nila, napag-usapan natin kanina, the trial sa Senate is televised, etc. And then there are so many things na sinasabing bakit si VP ay ayaw depensahan ng sarili niya. Minsan nagsasabi namin it's part of legal strategy. So how do you deal with a situation when the most sound legal strategy might not look good to the public?
Sa akin, it's the way you deliver it, no? But it has to be factual. Alam nyo, from day one as a spokesperson, ang talagang hindi ko ginagawa, and this is with all honesty, is to spin a story. Kasi once you spin a story, mawawalang credibility mo, no, as a
Tama.
spokesperson. So, there are ways naman to deliver things, no, and to package things para mas maintindihan ng publiko. But let's be factual. And that's why yan din yung sinusubukan kong gawin. Kahit na mahirap, kasi advocate tayo for client.
Yes.
Pero sa
Yes.
interviews, I try to be as objective as possible. Kasi highly divisive na itong issue.
Totoo.
No? Very politicized na yung issue.
Correct.
So, siguro we owe it to our countrymen, sa ating mga kababayan, na let's not blur the law. Diba? Yes, we advocate for clients, but at least when it comes to the law, let's not blur the law. Ito yung sinasabi ng...
Bendalo, iba naman yun.
Bendalo po.
Iba naman yun.
Tulfo yun,
Iba
eh.
naman yun. Iba naman yun. But let's not... Sa akin lang yun. Yun ang ano ko. Parang naiipit ako dito sa show niyo.
Joke lang po yan. So, since na-mention niyo din po si VP Sara, I'm curious po, sa kabila po ng lahat ng pagbabatikos at sa lahat po ng pagsubok na kanyang pinapagdaanan ngayon, ano po sa tingin niyo ang nakikita niyo kay VP Sara na nagpapatunay na kaya niyang magpatuloy?
I think she really has her heart in the right place. Nakita ko paano siya makipag-usap sa tao eh. Yun yung importante, yung connection niya sa tao. And si VP, she has a way of just being unbothered by
Yes.
everything, no? Na
Tama.
minsan, I really admire her for that. Kasi
Yes.
I have to admit,
Ang hirap,
minsan
ano?
naisip ko, parang mas stress pa ako kaysa sa kanya. She really has her way. I think nakukuha talaga niya yung strength niya sa tao dahil every time may makausap siyang tao, yung suporta, di ba? So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's really she has some sort of connection na hindi ko ma-explain.
totoo.
Pero she's a listener and she can really approach kahit sino.
Yes.
Whether
Walang
tycoon
pinipili.
yan or ordinaryong Pilipino tulad natin, kaya niya kausapin.
Oh, and I'm
Totoo.
personally a witness to that.
Same.
Iba talaga.
Sobra. Talagang tuloy lang siya sa trabaho, no, attorney? Hindi siya...
Kasi ang parati niyang pananaw is binoto siya ng 32 million.
Tama.
Ngayon, kung titigil ka dahil lang maraming bumabati ko sa'yo, you did an injustice, no, to all these people who trusted you with their votes. So, ganyan naman ang talagang disposition ng ating Vice Presidente. That's why, kahit may ganito, kaya nga binuo niya yung legal team ng maaga
Tama,
para kahit may mga ganitong left and right na legal issues, sa kanya, maitutuloy niya yung trabaho niya as Vice Presidente.
Well, speaking of trabaho, of course, kanya-kanyang trabaho tayo, Panyero, no? But, of course, napaka-busy na natin ngayon, ano? With all these things happening all around us, sa Senado, sa House, magulo eh.
Oo.
Dito in the midst of all this furor, meron ka bang isang bagay na gustong-gusto mong gawin pero hindi mo magawa because of lack of time and energy na nakafocus tayo ngayon dito sa impeachment?
Well, one, magpakasal at magkaroon ng pamilya, diba? Kasi, and I'll give you two things, no? And it's for the same purpose. To settle down, to have a family of my own naman. Secondly, siguro to disappear kahit for a month or two.
Wow,
Walang
we
phone,
wish,
walang
we wish.
interviews, diba? Because,
Kapag-unwind.
why? Kasi both yun, no? To settle down and to disappear, I think it will make you appreciate more kasi why you're doing what you're doing eh. Diba? Para saan nagtatrabaho tayo.
How do you balance work and personal life?
You can't.
You can't?
To be honest, you can't. You can't. I've been
That was
trying.
not the answer I was expecting.
Me too,
I've
actually.
been trying. I've been trying.
We can't.
I've been
We
trying.
can.
Pero, well, siguro personality ko rin medyo may pagka-workaholic ako. So,
Oo
but I
nga.
try as much
I can
as I
tell.
can to also give time to the persons we love. No? To my
Yes,
mother, for
importante po
example,
yun.
to my family, to the person I love. So, I try to give as much time as I can. Pero, syempre, iba pa rin yung sitwasyon. No? With everything happening. So, that's why masabi ko na it's quite hard to balance.
Yes
But we try para lang, that's our sense of sanity, di ba? Pag puro
Totoo.
trabaho, talagang you lose yourself.
Nabanggit mo na rin yung family mo, ano? Anong style nila sa pagpapalaki sa'yo? Was it the traditional Chinese na, uy, kailangan mong
Oo
tumulong
nga.
sa family business, obligado ka. You have to learn the ropes at an early age, etc. Ganun ba?
I think maswerte ako, Attorney Ferdy, na hindi sila ganon. They allowed me to be who I am. No? Yung parents ko, hindi naman kami mayaman. No? So, yung nakapag-aral ako sa Xavier School, sa mga schools na pinanggalingan ko, talagang naghirap yung parents ko. So, halos hindi ko na sila nakita sa bahay.
Kasi
Lumaki
may
ako.
impression yung mga tao, basta Chinese, mayaman eh.
Diba?
Oo, hindi yan totoo, no? Hindi yan totoo. And
Totoo.
ako lumaki ako sa lolo ko at lola ko. I was very close to them. No? So, I would say yes, to a certain extent, talagang spoiled ako ng lolo ko. Kaya magandang experience din yung napunta ako ng Australia. Kasi doon sa Australia, natuto ako maging independent.
Wow.
Bakit? Kasi doon, unang-una, kung hindi ka magluluto, wala kang kakainin.
Correct.
Diba?
Iba po
Wala
sa
ka
ibang
namang-
bansa, no?
Wala ka namang
O walang-
nanay na
walang
magluluto
maid doon.
sa'yo or
Wala.
walang kasambahay na tutulong sa'yo. Pangalawa, nagtrabaho din ako doon para sa magkapera. No? So,
Galing.
Wow.
nagtrabaho ako as a kitchen hand sa isang
Marunong po kayo
Mexican
magluto?
restaurant.
Wow!
Oo. Actually, kitchen hand, hindi ka nagluluto. Taga-chop ka lang ng mga ano, no? At taga-hugas ka ng plato, taga-linis ka ng refrigerator.
Wala rin tacos, tinachap
Oo,
yung
and
cabbage
then
doon eh, di ba?
Nagbarista ako for a while. Tapos, ano pa ba yun? Ang dami kong ginawang trabaho. Nag-busk ako para lang...
Talaga?
para lang... Busking is, di ba? Kakanta ka sa,
Oh, yeah. Sige,
sa bars, sa
sige.
ganyan,
Kaya
sa
po pala
labas.
napaka-humble nyo.
No, it's not. But natuto talaga ako sa Australia maging independent at na-appreciate mo yung trabaho ng bawat tao. Kasi sa Australia, whether CEO ka or waiter ka, you're appreciated for what you do.
Yes.
So yun yung na-instill sa akin.
That's good, ano? You know, that's one part of you that I'm sure the public is hearing for the first time.
Oo nga,
ano?
no? For
Hindi
sure.
naman yan yung bagay na kinukwento mo But yeah, it's, since you asked about family, so ganun din, nagkabalanse. Kasi my family here, my lolo here spoiled me to a certain extent while he was still alive.
Opo.
Siya pala inang talagang multilingual kasi pag Xavier, di ba, it's a given that you are more or less fluent in Chinese.
Well, we studied it, pero ako, I cannot say, I think I'm far from being fluent sa Chinese.
Or conversational, siguro.
I'm fluent sa Fukien.
Fukien.
Yun kasi yung dialect ng
So,
family ko.
ang POA pala is from Hokkien.
Yes. So,
Hokkien.
Fujian province, di ba?
Fluent ako dun sa, kasi yan, pag-usap ng lolo ko dati, Fukien kami. Pero sa Xavier kasi Mandarin, no? At, unfortunately, and I regret this to this day, no? Hindi ko masyadong sineryoso kasi. Sayang.
Kasi POA is not a common Chinese surname, di ba?
Oo.
POA. Akala ko noon, Cantonese, di ba? Di ba, I think mga 80% Hokkien ng mga Chinese dito, pero merong smattering of yung Cantonese, may Taiwanese. Kasi may mga
Taiwanese.
friends akong Chinese, Taiwanese eh.
No, Puwa, I think kasi ang narinig pa natin Puwa, yung PUA.
But even POA is not that
Some of
common.
them related to us. So I think baka nagkaroon lang ng typo doon sa civil register.
Ganun ba yun?
Na
Oo.
naging... pero yun, Puwa, basically. Some of them
okay.
some of us are
May
related.
mga family organizations
Oo nga
yan, di ba?
Meron.
Active ba kayo?
Yung lolo ko and yung uncle ko, very active. I'm hoping to be active also one day after everything.
But have you visited the hometown?
No, wala pa.
Wala pa.
The last time...
Wala pang pilgrimage
The
dun sa
only time I
origin?
went to China, I was I think 9 years old with my mom. No? And so, matagal na. Oo. It's something I'd also like to do. Siguro after.
Ayun, siguro, yung answer to one of our questions. Ano?
Yun nga
Yung gusto niyang magawa, di ba?
To disappear.
Yes. To disappear.
Go to the, find
Have
your
some
roots.
peace. Have some
Oo.
peace.
Akala ko po nung una Vietnamese kasi pho. Ay,
Hindi.
Hindi, yung restaurant yata yun eh.
joke lang. Kayo naman eh.
Yung restaurant yata.
Pho.
Noodle. Wah.
Ay, favorite ko yun. Masarap yun, attorney. Aminin
Oh,
mo.
yung pho.
Oo,
Masarap.
di, pero
Masarap.
iba yung pho sa sa Hanoi kaysa sa Ho Chi Minh, ha?
How do
I
you
found
pronounce
out.
it ba?
Yeah.
Pho? Or
Yung iba sabi
It's
nila,
pho.
fur.
Pho.
Fur. Fur.
Fur.
Fur. Hindi ko alam eh. Basta
Ferdy?
something like
Basta
that.
alam ko lang
Oo.
kainin eh.
Oo, basta masarap kainin. Tapos, mainit, masarap kainin.
Sabagay, sabagay.
Oh, Ina.
Oh, ito, attorney.
Dami
since-
mong questions kanina
Oo
eh.
nga,
Nahiya
ikaw
ka naman.
kasi.
Na-mesmerize ka naman kay
Sa
Attorney
totoo
Poe,
lang,
eh.
actually. Alam mo, Attorney po, ang dami pong nanonood sa iyong mga kabataang Pilipino. Kasi ako, I lead a nationwide organization for VP Sara, the Inday Sara Duterte Advocacy Youth Philippines, or mas kilala bilang ISDA Youth Philippines.
Yeah,
po
full
ay
disclosure na.
sila po ay
Thank you.
sumusubaybay sa inyo. So, ano kung meron po kayong isang bagay or mensahe na gusto nyo pong iparating sa mga kabataang Pilipino, ano po iyon?
I think the most important part or lesson in life is don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Oh.
Embrace mistakes because you will learn from them and you will be better for it. Sabi nga nila, what doesn't break you can only make you stronger.
Wow.
Yeah.
So,
Very nice.
Diba?
Go ahead and make all the mistakes you can. Diba?
Yes.
While it's early. So you actually learn from it and you become a better and stronger person.
That's beautiful. Ako nakaka-relate ako dyan.
Oo, wag ka lang gumawa ng mistake na akala mo mababaw lang yung tubig, yung malalim pala. You'll never learn from that mistake kasi malulunod ka, patay ka eh.
Gano'n naman pala.
Anyway, meron kang ano dyan, ha? Meron kang mga
Eto,
fast track questions.
Mga fast track question with Ina and Ferdy.
May timer
Ayan.
ba to?
Okay, ako muna.
I yield the floor to the
May timer
lady.
ba to? May timer
Wala
to?
naman po.
I yield the floor to the lady from Santa Barbara,
Pangasinan.
Pangasinan.
Hello. So, Attorney Poa, law or music?
Law.
Wow. UP Law or Xavier School?
Ako mahirap. Both. Kasi both,
Oy.
both
Pwede naman,
shaped,
pwede
no,
naman.
why? Because both shaped me to who I am today.
Oh, that's cute. Litigator or corporate lawyer?
Litigator.
Chief of staff or spokesperson?
Chief of staff.
Oh. Courtroom or press conference?
Courtroom.
Formal suit or barong?
Barong.
Mas mahirap sagutin, media or Congress?
Pareho. Pareho. No, but I think media.
Okay.
Kasi sometimes you really don't know what to expect.
Ooh. Safe play or bold move?
Bold move.
Kala ko bold movie. Gulat pa ako.
Bold move, hindi bold,
Bold move.
movie.
Move, move.
Bold
Sorry.
move. Bold move.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Late night or early morning?
Late night.
Adobo or sinigang?
Sinigang.
Defending a client, logic or emotion?
Logic.
Is constitutional law an art or a science?
Science.
Best trait of VP Sara Duterte in one word?
Ina.
Ina?
No.
Ay, joke lang. Joke
A
lang
good
po.
mother. A good mother, really. Pero hindi kasi one word
Parang
yun eh.
mother
but a
of the nation. ano? Parang,
Ako ang ina ninyo. Complete the sentence. Ang impeachment ay...
Ang impeachment ay sui generis.
Oy, spell. Charot. When was the last time you lost your temper?
Hindi natin maalala. Masyadong
Yan
even
naman.
tempered
Oo nga
si
eh.
Michael eh.
Totoo. Parang hindi nagtatanim ng
Opposite.
sama.
There was one interview I recall.
really?
When I was still in DepEd. I think that was the first and the last time I
Yun na
lost
po
my
yun?
temper in an interview.
Pinaka-recent, final answer?
Hindi, I'm sure yung mga kasamahan ko sa law firm mo disagree, no? But daily kasi there are snippets. But syempre you try to control yourself as much
Okay.
as possible.
Sino ang pinaka-kinakatakutan mong kalaban sa korte?
Si Attorney Ferdito Paso.
Ay, yun sabi ko na eh.
Oh, bro.
Nakakatakot ka ba, Attorney Ferdy?
About you're so kind.
Pero totoo yan.
Attorney Michael Poa in one word.
Hopeful.
Oh.
Ganda.
Ang ganda.
May,
si Chrissy
may
lang.
ginagaya ka yata eh.
Ayun, wala naman. Attorney Grab 2.
Anyway, ito, I have a question for kompanyero na medyo well. not political in the sense, but, well, I would say, ano bang term, governmental? Having experienced all that you have with respect to our government, para sa'yo, okay na ba itong form of government natin? Or should we switch to federal parliamentary?
Nako, mahirap sagutin yan because I'm not an expert in any, no? But
Sa experience mo
Same.
lang,
But-
would all of these problems be better off under a parliamentary system or yung present setup natin?
ayokong sagutin, to be honest. I mean, what I can say is I think we're a very young democracy, for one. But I think there's hope for our country. Ayokong sabihin kung federal. I really don't want to say something categorical now because I'm really not an expert. And when I'm not an expert in something, I try to shy away from answering it. Pero sa akin, we're a very young democracy. We're learning a lot. Lalo na ngayon, ang daming mga bagong issues. So, hindi ko masabi.
Well, let's shift to a medyo easier question.
there hope?
If given,
Ganun ba?
if given a chance to change the Constitution, anong reforma sa sistema ng gobyerno ang ipapatupad mo?
To be honest, I don't see anything wrong with the Constitution right now. No? Ang sa akin, it's the way it's interpreted or interpreted to suit partisan advocacies. No? But there's nothing wrong with the Constitution now. Siguro sa akin, having experienced living in a more, siguro like Australia, in a different country, siguro kung may papalitan lang ako, it's yung economic provisions natin to help our country. Isa yan sa
Yes.
mga nakikita ko na dapat palitan. But in terms of major changes to the Constitution, again, I'm not the expert to be asked on it. But sa akin, it's really more of the interpretation rather than... kasi nga, ang Constitution, hindi mo rin naman may iwasan yan kasi it's supposed to be a living document, di ba? What the purpose was years ago is different from today, but as long as it works, as long as there's room no, to adapt
Yes.
to the new things in life, it should be okay. So,
Very
sa
well
akin,
said.
wala ako.
Correct.
Wala akong
Ina,
masabi.
Through all this political noise and tension, attorney, what is keeping you grounded and hopeful right now?
Yung tao rin talaga. Kasi minsan, alam mo, ang dami nagbabash sa akin sa social media, di ba? So I try to switch it off. I try to not read as much, although we still have to read kasi trabaho natin yan eh.
Yes,
Di ba? Kahit na
tama
ayaw mong
naman.
basahin, kahit gusto mo na lang ayaw manood ng mga vlogs or anything, kailangan trabaho mo yan. So I try to switch it off. But I have to admit, it affects me. Di ba? It really affects me.
Of course,
pa rin.
Totoo
we're all
naman.
human.
We're all human. So,
Tama.
ang nakakatulong yung tao, yung
support ako.
kunyari, I was just in Davao. I just came back from Davao yesterday. And pag yung kinakausap ka ng mga ordinaryong tao sa streets, bibigay ng suporta nila. Dito, minsan, yung mga Grab riders, yung mga, all these people, minsan sa labas ng mall or sa restaurant, kakausapin ka lang. Yung kahit papano, kahit ang dami nagbabash sa'yo, nakikita mo pa rin na may mga tao pa rin sumusuporta at
Oo
naniniwala
naman po.
sa pinaglalaban.
Yes.
Oo naman, marami yan.
32 million
So that
sila
really
na sumusuporta.
helps and keeps you grounded.
Yes.
Oh, last question na talaga to, promise. Promise.
Promise?
Oo.
Ako din may last question eh. Pero sige, ikaw muna. Tony.
Hindi. Sige, ako muna. Para the lady always has to have the last word.
Ganun ba?
Anyway, maiksi lang ito. Kilalang kilala ka na, Panyero. Everyone knows your name, how you look like, your advocacy. Is there a future in an elective position for Michael Poa?
Wala
Yun,
po.
no?
Ganun ba?
Wala.
Ang bilis yung sumagot.
Basta wala.
Wala po.
Period. Walang paligoy-ligoy.
I'm not
ano.
interested po talaga in no? Although, syempre, gusto nating makatulong sa bansa. But I think I can help naman the country just being a private lawyer. So,
Oh, Ina,
Ito,
yung
last
word.
question ko Last question for Attorney Poa. Since na-mention niyo po kanina, nag-aral po kayo sa University of the Philippines, sa UP, hindi niyo po ba kinonsider na pumasok sa Mapua University?
mapo.
Kala ko seryoso. Ano ba yan?
Hindi, wala.
Mapowa.
Joke lang
Hindi,
yun.
Ay,
hindi ko na siguro nasagutin yan.
Kahit di nyo na po sagutin.
Naubusan ka na ng tanong.
Oo nga
Paalam
eh.
Okay,
Sorry
pakawalan
na.
na natin.
Oo nga. Joke lang po yun, Attorney Poa.
Thank you very much. And before we let you go, any last messages for our
Yes.
viewers?
Siguro maraming salamat po, lalong-lalo na dun sa mga sumusuporta sa ating Vice Presidente. You've been with her since day one at hanggang ngayon, kahit sa kabila ng lahat ng mga batikos, no, at kung ano-ano pang binabato na aligasyon laban sa kanya, nandiyan pa rin kayo at nararamdaman ko yun, no? Kasi minsan yung mga tao really approach me just to give their regards to the Vice President and laban lang daw. So, we really appreciate it and I'm sure the Vice President really appreciates it.
Yeah.
Sa inyo siya humuhugot ng lakas, sa inyo kami humuhugot ng lakas. But even to those, no, who might not agree with the Vice President, who might not like the Vice President, siguro ang maaasahan nyo lang naman sa amin is, lalo na ako sa mga interviews, I will remain to be as objective as I can. I will not blur the law. No? Kung may tama namang sinabi yung opposing, sasabihin ko naman tama. Diba? So makakaasa lang kayo that we will not spin anything and that we will just defend the Vice President as much as we can, but we will be objective in terms of what the law is. We will never blur it.
Yun.
Okay, thank you very much. Well said.
Yeah. At dyan nagtatapos ang isa na namang makabuluhang kwentuhan dito sa Small Talk. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
Marami tayong napag-usapan ngayon, pero hindi doon magtatapos ang kwentuhan natin. Tandaan ninyo, ang mga malalaking pagbabago, pagsisimula lang yan sa mga simpleng usapan na tulad nito.